This segment is sponsored by Home Appliance Solutions. Odds are you probably have an appliance or two or maybe even three that aren't energy efficient, and really those could be wasting you thousands upon thousands of dollars a year. So the best solution is to come see Home Appliance Solutions and talk to Brian, who can help you out. Good to see you, Brian.
Good to see you too. I appreciate you coming over.
So what has inventory been like right now during where we are in the pandemic?
Well, it's been a challenge for sure. Supply chain issues have created challenges for most industries, and appliance industry is just one of those. Parts and pulling it all together at the plants has been a challenge. However, we've been small enough and nimble enough to strategically buy so that we had appliances here for the public to take home if they needed something right away. If something breaks, you need it now, you can't wait.
Right.
So we had to make appliances, washers, dryers, and refrigerators available. And our folks, our sales staff, are wonderful at spending the amount of time necessary to help you make that quality decision and get the appliance that's the right fit for you.
It's good news that you can see appliances behind you right now in inventory, but what other aspects sets your company apart from others?
Well, I tell you, we're locally owned, we're veteran owned. We have a very experienced sales staff that can actually get in and be a consultant to you and spend the time necessary that you need as a customer and a consumer, because there are so many products out there. What do I buy and when do I buy it? And so we can walk you through that process and spend as much time as you want. And all we sell is appliances. We're not selling furniture or anything else. And so we're able to meet the needs of that customer and spend the quality time necessary.
And for people watching right now, they go, yes, I need a new appliance in my home, 1, 2, or even 3. What are the first steps they need to take, and what are the options to purchase one from you guys?
Well, the options are, we have multiple store locations. We have our store location in Columbus at 5971 East Main Street, and we also have the New Hilliard location. And then if you're still, wanting to get more information, we have a fantastic website at homeappliancesolutions.com that offers side-by-side comparisons. You can see what's in stock or what's available. If you want to chat with a salesperson from your house, you're able to do that. You can set up an appointment and come on in if you're more comfortable doing that. Let's face it, you don't buy an appliance every day.
Exactly, and I'm telling on myself right now, I thought most appliances were the same size, and I learned the hard way by going to a big box retailer online, so you need that personal touch.
Right, absolutely, and our personal touch extends from the sale of the appliance to the customer. We have an in-house delivery service, so our delivery teams it's a W-2 workforce, background checked, are going to be an extension of the sale and make sure that your appliance is delivered on time and installed correctly for you. So you can be rest assured that that is a difference maker that Home Appliance Solutions offers.
And Brian, another cool thing you guys do is the way you recycle and go the extra mile to help protect our earth.
Yeah, and not only that, it's a free service we provide to the customer. So we're able to actually do the haul away free for those customers that buy an appliance from us. We'll bring that appliance back to actually this location, and we do the Freon evacuation. We'll pull the compressor and the oil and actually take the foam out of the refrigerator and then responsibly dispose of the scrap.
I love it. Doing their part to save the ozone, protect the environment by just allowing the refrigerator or appliance to be recycled.
They can drop it off free at either of our stores, either at 3700 Parkway Lane in Hilliard or at our East Main location. They can drop it off, we'll take it, we'll recycle it, and they can give themselves a hand at the end of the day. Today is Earth Day,
So Brian, remind our viewers where your 2 locations are and what's the website they can go to check you guys out.
So 2 locations. Our first location is at 5971 East Main Street, also in Hilliard at our new location that we're proud to serve this side of Columbus. And that is at 3700 Parkway Lane. You can find us easily. Our storefront faces the 270. In addition to that, our website is homeappliancesolutions.com.
Perfect. Brian, well, thank you. It's an honor to come out here, check you guys out for the first time, and look forward to coming back. As Brian just said, you can visit their website, homeappliancesolutions.com, to find out more information.